1962 Cadillac Coupe DeVille here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 390 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Very nicely equipped car, power steering, power brakes, AC. If you look at the cowl tag or the data tag, accessory codes on there, EKYMN, which is the AC, soft ray glass, power locks, power vent windows, power seat, power windows. So again, nicely equipped car. Paint coat of 48, so that would be Laurel Poly. I'll get into the paint condition in just a bit. First, let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Take a look at the bright work up front. Now, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website if you're watching this video on YouTube. Go ahead and click on that link. Again, down below in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Number to call, 507-386-1726. All right, now as far as the paint. Paint does show its age a little bit. We do have some kind of crow's feet or checking, whichever you'd like to call it, on the hood. I'll kind of point some things out as we go around it. It's one of those cars. Drive it the way it is. It still has a nice shine to it, nice look, great body style, or if you want to take it to the next level. Also, paint code number 12 for Olympic white. So that's why you see the top the way it is. And again, great looking body style in 62. And one of those cars. Enjoy your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Or if you really want to take it to the next level, make it a trailer queen. But me, I'd drive this one, have some fun. As you can see, wheel covers, riding on radial tires, kind of a mauve and ivory interior, if you will. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A little spot where there's some paint missing right there. Again, paint shows its age a little bit, but I'd still drive it, have some fun with this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see no major, dents or dings. Fender skirts intact on the rear wheels. Wheel wells, I should say. Chrome in the rear bumper. Bright work on the rear of the car. Get a good look at that. I love the wings on these with the taillights in the wing and the 62. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Quite a bit of service work recently done to this car also. Front and rear brakes and hoses gone through and done. Also carb kit installed, carb gone through. Tranny pan gasket replaced. High pressure power steering hose. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like Cadillacs, whether it be DeVille's, Coupe DeVille's, Series 62s, whatever, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Got a little spot imperfection in the paint there, not bad. The videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Or if you just like checking out different cars and cars of the past, and seeing all the different options and colors and makes and models. Our website channel is our YouTube channel is a great place to see a ton of different cars. And you can go and see what's been uploaded previously and what's coming up in the future. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Mentioned power windows before, so you have power windows for the rear, power windows for the front, and power wing windows. There's that power seat. Power locks. Like I said, kind of a mauve and ivory, I guess, if you will. Nice contrast with the exterior Laurel color paint as well as the Olympic white. Very stock looking dash. Let's fire it up. Take a peek underneath that hood. Notice your shift pattern here too compared to your conventional ones. Now you go to neutral first, then drive, reverse all the way down the bottom. Dash looks good. And as you could hear, that baby fires right up. Getting 390 V8 underneath the hood. Headliner looking good. Rear deck. Door closes and latches nicely. A slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazier over the top of the exhaust or engine sound. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this a second. It's a tight fit for my finger to get in to get this hood pop, but we'll get it open. Check out the engine bay, and once again, stick around to the very end if you want to see how this car goes down the road. Take it for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Idling very smoothly. Again, carb kit and carb just gone through, so nice smooth idling engine. And I mentioned steering hose earlier. See, that's new. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. The text did note AC did not blow cool, but it appears all components are here. Diesel PLC is still the R12. We'll leave that at the discretion of the next owner. Battery disconnect, shut off when it's in between cruises or maybe in storage. It's all ready to go. '62 Cadillac DeVille. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Cadillac DeVille in what you might say is a rose or a pink color. One of the iconic Cadillac designs, those back fins with the taillights. Awesome stuff. The turn signal indicators on the hood are working. Speedometer appears to be working. The temperature is a little over a third of the way up on the gauge. Fuel gauge is reading half a tank. Very nice, smooth Cadillac ride from this car. Got a little bit of wind noise from that front quarter window there. Pushed on it, got better. Blower motor works as it should on this Cadillac. We have a clock right here, and the minute hand and the second hand are moving. Appears to be leather bench seat in this car. With that color on the headliner and the seat and the door panels, it's a very different look. You stand out even in a crowd of Cadillacs. Nice smooth ride. The factory horn is working as it should. Cadillac always ahead of its time in styling, and some of the most extravagant styling. Brakes are working as they should. Maybe a little pulsation right there. Of course, these tires could have a little bit of flat spotting from sitting. Corners very well. Power steering is amazing. You don't even feel the resistance hardly in the steering of this Cadillac. Kick down working on the automatic transmission. Plenty of power to pull this big, beautiful car along. Bring all your friends. Lots of room in the back seat and the front seat. Fold down armrests. Take a look at all the pictures of this car and learn about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.